Make your own mouthwash recipes at home. It is important to maintain good oral hygiene for a healthy mouth. If you fail to take care of your mouth, then it can lead to a number of dental problems like bad breath, cavities, plaque, and others. We all have been taught to brush our teeth twice a day in our childhood, and most of us follow this religiously. But only brushing won't help to keep your teeth safe. Flossing and mouthwash are equally important. Mouthwash does not only freshen your breath but also prevents your teeth from cavities. There are different types of mouthwash available in the market, but you can also make them at your home using natural products. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe our channel by click the red color button and press the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. 1. Baking soda. Ingredients: ½ teaspoon of baking soda and ½ glass of warm water. Preparation: add baking soda to ½ a glass of warm water. Mix it well and rinse your mouth with this solution after brushing your teeth. How is it helpful? Baking soda is an excellent product to get rid of bad breath and oral bacteria. It is alkaline in nature and can increase the pH level of the saliva. 2. Coconut oil. Ingredient: 1 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil. How to use: put the oil in your mouth and swish it 10 to 15 times. Spit the oil and rinse your mouth with water. How is it helpful? This process is known as oil pulling. Coconut oil is not only a good mouthwash but also helps to detoxify your body. It decreases the formation of plaque in the mouth. 3. Salt. Ingredients: ½ teaspoon of table salt and ½ glass of warm water. Preparation: add salt in the water and mix it well. Now rinse your mouth with this mixture. You can do it easily after your meal. How is it helpful? Salt water is as effective as any other mouthwash available in the market. It can help to minimize dental issues and plaque formation. 4. Cinnamon and clove oil. Ingredients: 1 cup distilled water, 10 drops cinnamon oil and 10 drops of clove oil. Preparation: mix all the ingredients together and it is ready to use. This mixture has a long shelf life and so you can even store it. How is it helpful? The clove and cinnamon oil helps to freshen your breath and fight cavities. If this tip's helpful to you, hit like and comment below. Share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.